Hey guys, what's up? So I am back with another video. We have this really cool background right behind me and I changed it up. I thought this would be really appropriate for this video. So this video, as you guys can see in the title, I am going to be throwing away some skincare product. And these products are just taking up a whole lot of space in my skincare drawer. And if you think I am exaggerating, this is all my skincare. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me make some space. So this is all my skincare stuff, whether it's cleansers, wipes, scrubs, moisturizers, masks. This is all in here, and we need to clear this out. We need to make some room for some new stuff I bought that's also in here, and it's just a pile of stuff. I can't get to anything that I need to. So we are going to go ahead. I'm going to take everything out, and then I'm going to show you guys what exactly I'm going to be throwing away. I guess I'll let you guys see what's all in this little container. This is the only drawer I have for my skincare. There's like 2 items that's in the bathroom, but I keep those in there. But yeah, so let's go through this stuff. Okay, so the first thing that I see right here is this bright old green packaging. This is the Yes To brand. This is their cucumber facial wipe. I picked this up last weekend at Forever 21 because I needed something to cleanse my skin because my skin was really freaking out, and I needed something that didn't require me to wash my face frequently, so I picked these up. Okay, so the next thing I have is this Nair face cream. This is to remove facial hairs, and I picked this up because this one, my Sally Hansen one, is probably expired and I need to throw this out. So this is one thing that I'll be throwing out. And yeah, I also have these. You guys remember I did a video on this, but the video is not on my channel. I took it down. It's because the only reason I took down that video is because I did not do an update on this product, and I don't even use it anymore. Don't know if I'm going to throw that out. This is empty. Don't like that. Okay, put that there. This is brand new. I love this stuff. Brand new stuff. These makeup wipes are probably dry. Okay, so we are seeing the bottom of the drawer. Took some stuff out. You guys can see that I do have some containers in here to organize some stuff. So I'm just gonna go take that out. Stacking of makeup wipes. Gotta keep the backups. Just gonna empty everything out. I'm just gonna make a room. Don't belong there. Okay. I'm gonna use these to organize in the drawer. As you guys can see, it is empty. Nothing is in there. It's all empty. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these back in because I'm gonna use some stuff and keep them organized. It's better to have them in these little container like it was working before. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put back these right here. These are the Neutrogena makeup remover wipes, and these are my backups right here. So we're gonna put these right here in the back of the container. You guys can see how we have it organized right here. I'm gonna go put these in the front. So we have our wipes back here. You guys can see our makeup wipes right here. We have our Yes To. I have these, but they're open. Hopefully they're not dried out. So I'm gonna try to stick them in this area right here. So we're keeping our makeup removal wipes. We're not throwing those out because we need makeup removal wipes. How we're gonna remove our makeup if we throw away our wipes? We're not throwing away that. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do this container back here. This one right here. I think I'm gonna fill them with all my face masks and stuff like that. And let me go through my face mask. So I have these 2. So these are the Formula 10.6. I don't really pronounce this brand, but these are 2 face masks that I have and absolutely love them, so I'm gonna keep them. This is a Balancing Mud Clay Mask, and this is a Illuminating Peel Mask. So we're gonna keep those here. We're gonna put them in the back. So the cells. Okay, so this one is a hydrated overnight mask. This I received in a sample bag along with a few stuff that I still have from Ulta, and I use this. First of all, it says hydrating. I have oily skin, a girl don't need hydration. So, and I used it once, and I did it overnight. And when I say I woke up with tiny bumps on my face, I woke up with tiny bumps on my face. So we are going to be throwing that in the trash. We have this also a sample of the Peter Thomas Roth mask. This is his pumpkin enzyme mask. I love this, so we're gonna keep this. I'm gonna put that over here. This is also a sample mask I got from Ulta. Don't know if I use this or if I like it, but I think I'm gonna skip on this. This also looks like it's a hydrating mask. So yep, it says quenching, so hydration, we're not gonna keep that. We're gonna get rid of that. I have my last sheet mask from Tony Moly, and this is the I Am Cherry Blossom. I'm gonna put this right here in the back, so we're keeping that. Okay, so let's see. We have a lot more masks. I'm just gonna get them. Okay. Let's see. We have everything here. So we have a pack of the L'Oreal Pure Clay Mask. This also came in a sample from Ulta. All these sample masks are from Ulta, and I've used 2 of them, and I love it. So I'm gonna keep this one. I'm gonna use that one probably sometime soon. This is a Gentle Body Milk. This don't even belong in my skincare drawer. So let's see. We have Philosophy Uplifting Miracle Worker. This is a moisturizer. We might keep this. We're gonna see how this works and see if I like it, because I like the brand Philosophy. That's the face wash I use and I love it. So we're gonna keep this here. So the last mask I have is this sample of the Dermatological charcoal mask, and I love it, so we're gonna keep it. And that goes in the mask pile. So these are all the masks that I have. Oh wait, no, there's more. So this is a Shea Moisture hair mask that also came from Ulta. But this is a hair mask. I'm going to put this in my hair drawer where I keep all my hair stuff. So I'm going to put this to the side. And we also have this Ultra Beauty brand charcoal mask. And I'm going to keep this also here in my mask collection. We can fit a few more stuff. So I probably might put these in here, which are the I have 2 different kinds. I have the original and I have the charcoal. This is the Biore deep pore nose strips. So I'm gonna put these. I'm gonna keep all of my nose strips because a girl needs clean pores. I'm gonna put this where our masks are, just to take up some extra room. And I feel like I'm not doing that much of throwing away. I thought that I had a lot of stuff to throw away. I only throw away a few things. Let's see. Okay, so I guess we're going to go in with moisturizer. I'm going to try to keep my moisturizers to the front of my drawer as possible, because that's something I use daily, and mask and makeup removal wipe are something I don't really use daily. So we have a few sample moisturizer that we put in here earlier. So I'm going to go ahead and see what we have as far as moisturizing. So I just picked this up the other day. This is the Shea Moisture Balancing Moisturizer. I heard, what's his name? Gabriel talk about this. And I only tried this because I ran out of this moisturizer and I couldn't find it in store. So I decided to go for this. And I'm super happy that I actually picked this up. I think that this is really good. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this in my moisturizer part of my drawer, and then this is super empty, so we're gonna just go ahead and toss this bottle out. And as far as picking up more of that moisturizer, I'm not gonna probably repurchase that Clear and Clear moisturizer again. Okay, so I guess we have some sunscreen. I just picked this up recently, and it does its job. Is SPF 60. So yeah, we're gonna keep this. We're gonna keep it in our moisturizing drawer. So when we put on moisturizer, we know to grab our sunscreen, and our skin is protected. Let's see. I'm gonna keep this in my moisturizing drawer. This is benzoyl peroxide for acne medication, especially in the summer. A girl needs some benzoyl peroxide for my skin. I don't really have that bad of an acne, but in the summer my skin gets really bad and all my pores are clogged, which cause acne. And yeah, so I'm gonna keep this on me because this saved my life last week when I had this huge acne on my face and it was just so bad. It got swollen, and this helped me a lot. Let's see. Oh, So I have this right here. This is from Formula 10, and this is a night PM, which is overnight moisturizer, is a cream, and I don't know, I haven't used this in a while. I don't hate it, I don't love it, but I don't know if I should toss it out or not. I think I'm gonna keep this for now. It's an overnight cream. It's not really that harmful to keep it, so I'm gonna keep this in my moisturizing drawer. I'm gonna put it at the bottom right there. And let's see. I also have an empty bottle of moisturizer. This is from this brand, this brand, and I absolutely love this. When it was winter time, it was really a nice, really thick moisturizer, so my skin was really hydrated when it got really cold and my skin got really dry. And this was really good, but it's empty bottle. We're gonna toss this out. I probably might repurchase this in the winter just because of the formula. It was really good for cold months, and I'm gonna probably repurchase this, but for now this is an empty bottle. It has to go. What's next? Oh, so this one is also the same brand, but I couldn't find that one, so I decided to go with this one. And this is a hydrating moisturizer. I don't know what I was thinking. I purchased this moisturizer and I absolutely don't love it. It's like watered down moisturizer, and it's not for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side. I'm gonna put it in the trash, give it away, whatever. So this moisturizer got to go. Okay, so this is not a moisturizer, but this is a brightening serum for dark spots or hyperpigmentation if you have that. So I'm gonna keep this in my moisturizing drawer because this is something that you put on around the time you put on moisturizer. So I'm gonna put this here and keep it. I haven't been using it lately, but I'm gonna keep it in my drawer, keep it in case I need it. I do need it because I do have a lot of dark spots because it's summertime, but I'm gonna keep this and possibly use it sometime soon. So this is what it's looking like. It's looking more organized. You guys can see from the sides we have some organization going on right now, and we're getting rid of a lot of stuff. Okay, so we have this one. This is our new facial hair cream, so we're gonna put this one right here. I'm gonna keep this. I haven't used it in a while, but we're gonna go ahead and keep the brow food here. We're gonna keep it in the front right here. So also I have my Real Chemical face peel, so I'm gonna keep this in the front. We also have this cleanser. This is also a gentle cleanser. I bought this because I don't know why, but this is a gentle cleanser, and a girl don't need this in her life. My skin does not need gentle cleaning. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and give this away or throw it in the trash. It doesn't work for me. I don't need it. I have more other cleansers that does a better job than this. So this is the Body Shop Tea Tree Oil. There's nothing wrong with this or the brand or the line that I bought this. I bought the kit for this, and last year, I don't know when I bought it, but I bought the kit for this. It came with the mask, it came with this toner, and it came with a cleanser. The cleanser is done and gone, so the mask done and gone. I only have the toner. I wasn't using toner that much. I mean, it wasn't, I don't know why I didn't use this. You guys can see I did use some of it, but not a lot of it. I don't know if you guys can see how much is been used, but we don't need it. I don't need it anymore, so we're gonna get rid of this. Get rid of it. So this is something new I purchased. I've been using this a lot, and it's really good, and I actually like this toner, so I'm gonna keep this here because I've been using this. I've been loving it, and it looks like we don't have space for it. We need to make space. Okay, we're making room. And I think, is this the last thing? Okay, so this is the Mario Orange Cleansing Soap. I've used this. I thought I used way more than what's showing right here, but I guess I didn't use a lot of this. And I don't know why I bought it. I think it was like a suggestion for my skin type to buy this and use it. And I've been using it, and it did a pretty good job. But I don't know. I haven't been using it lately, and we're gonna go ahead and get rid of this. It's a really good cleanser, but I don't know why I stopped using this. Yeah, so I have this right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my little drawer right here. And that's it, guys. This is all my makeup. What am I saying? I need to go get some sleep. Okay, guys, so this is all my skincare. This is the stuff that I'm keeping. This is the stuff that I'm throwing away. As you guys can see, it looks much better from when we came. Everything is organized. Everything looks really good. I could reach and grab my moisturizer. I could reach and grab some facial, what do you call this, like facial treatments. I could go ahead and grab some mask. I could go ahead and grab some makeup wipes, and yeah, I can see everything, and it's easy and accessible, and everything being in a pile. And hold on, let me grab the stuff that I'm throwing away. There's some stuff on the floor, but there's more stuff, but these are all the stuff I'm throwing away. I'm throwing away this Body Shop tea tree oil, what is it called, toner. I'm throwing away this different gentle cleanser. I'm throwing away this box of Sally Hansen hair remover cream stuff. I'm throwing away this empty bottle of moisturizer. This bottle of moisturizer from the same brand, it's just different types of moisturizer. If something is empty, that means I like it and I use it a lot. So this is empty, so I liked it and I use it a lot. So yeah, this is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I did. This was very therapeutic and how you say that word? Therapeutic? Whatever. This is very enjoyable, and I was able to get into my skincare drawer and clean it out and organize it, and everything looks perfect. I could easily grab my makeup wipes. I could easily grab some mask and moisturizer, and everything looks really good. Everything is organized. And yeah, so this is it for the video. Hope you guys enjoy it, because I did. I got some, some cleaning done in the process of filming a video. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do, don't forget to click those thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click that notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.